Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us here on this Tuesday, or maybe it's your Monday if you had Labor Day off yesterday and you're just kind of getting back into the swing of things. Let's take a look outside, looking at our Dakota Magic Casino sky cam down along the North Dakota, South Dakota state line. Usually you can see the Sisseton Hills in the background, but it's very hard to see those tonight. Well, we've got that wildfire smoke and haze in our atmosphere, in addition to some of that dust and soil being kicked up as harvest season is underway, making it a little hard to see and also bringing us some vibrant red sunrises and sunsets. We'll have a little bit more on that in a minute, but let's take a look right now at our conditions at Hector. Sunny skies, 83 degrees, feels like 84, so definitely a seasonally warm September day. That wind is out of the north at 8 miles per hour, gusting around 20 miles per hour at this time. Sunset tonight, now before 8 p.m. 7:57. And in Grand Forks, we're seeing some clear skies as well. 84 degrees with that wind out of the north and northeast at 12 miles per hour. We have warm conditions across the entire Red River Valley. The coolest temperatures are in the low 80s. 81 in Bemidji, Baudette, Roseau, Hallock, Langdon, and Devil's Lake. Quite a popular number this evening. And some upper 80s to even some 90s right there in parts of northern South Dakota. So really, the entire month has been off to a warm start thus far. Looking at winds as we head into your evening hours, gusty in a few spots, that wind picking up a little bit after fairly calm winds this afternoon, gusting to 16 miles per hour from the north in Thief River Falls, gusting to 18 miles per hour out of the north in Jamestown, and again we have that 20 mile per hour gust here in Fargo. So for tonight, tomorrow, and even through most of Thursday, we're going to keep our warm conditions. We're going to keep a mostly sunny sky, but we're also going to keep that hazy sky, as we will have some increasing wildfire smoke. Then we have changes for the weekend. We're going to have a cold front move through late Thursday and into Friday morning, bringing an increased chance for some showers and some seasonally cooler temperatures. For tonight, we stay quiet. A little bit of that northerly breeze really dies down after sunset. So a perfect evening to get out, get some fresh air, maybe do some yard work this evening if you didn't want to do it over the weekend. By tomorrow morning, we are still quiet. We are clear. Some of us will have temperatures in the 40s to start our Wednesday morning, especially up to the north. A little bit more mild with upper 50s to some low 60s. Down in the far southern part of the Red River Valley. For our Wednesday, that wind will start to pick up out of the south and east, and of course that will pull in some warmer air, a little bit more moisture, and temperatures are going to be fairly similar to what we've seen for today in those upper 70s to some lower 80s, but it's going to be a little breezier. Then late at night, we'll see an increasing chance of clouds ahead of that front we were just talking about, and bringing a chance for some showers by Thursday. Now for tomorrow afternoon, snapshot of your hometown forecast at 5 p.m. Lots of 70s and 80s, some down to the southwest, even near 90. This has been a common scene. We've been getting lots of photos uploaded to our website of the red hazy harvest. This is a great one sent in by Mary. Look at this. This is the wildfire smoke in the upper levels of the atmosphere. So stuff that you might see, it's going to stick with us for several days, and notice increasing as we head into Thursday with the wind switch. Those fires are far off to the west though. What does that mean for our breathing down at the surface? Well, it's not going to really impact our air quality too much. We will see and maybe smell some of it by Thursday afternoon, but mostly it's going to be a visual thing. Now for the rest of your 7-day forecast, 80s continue through Thursday, and then we have a big temperature drop off, Bobby, as we head into Friday, 68 degrees, and then there's those comfortable 70s for the weekend and next week.
Yeah, it's almost kind of like a roller coaster, 88s dropping and then going into that 70s. Yeah, it's gonna be a nice change.
Right.
Summer, thank you so much.